what's your name?
My name's Evie.
And what's your surname?
It's Joe.
And how old are you, Evie?
I'm 11 years old.
Now here are two pictures. My picture is nearly the same as yours, but some things are different. For example, in my picture, the doors are closed, but in your picture, the doors are open. I'm going to say something about my picture. You tell me how your picture is different, okay? In my picture, there are two people leaving the university.
In my picture, there are two people going to the university.
In my picture, there's a big cloud in the sky.
In my picture, there's a big sun in the sky.
In my picture, the cat is under the tree.
In my picture, the cat is in the tree.
In my picture, the student is wearing a purple spotted scarf.
In my picture, the student's wearing a red spotted scarf.
In my picture, the girl is walking on the path.
In my picture, the girl is running on the path.
In my picture, there are 3 small dogs.
In my picture, there's one big dog.
George and Dan have got bicycles. I don't know anything about George's bicycle, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Was George's bicycle cheap or expensive?
It was expensive.
Where does George ride his bicycle?
He rides his bicycle at the park.
What colour is George's bicycle?
It's blue.
Is the bicycle clean or dirty?
It's clean.
When did George buy his bicycle?
He bought it yesterday.
Now you don't know anything about Dan's bicycle, so you ask me some questions.
What colour is Dan's bicycle?
It's green.
Is it cheap or expensive?
It's cheap.
When did he buy it?
He bought it last month.
Is it clean or dirty?
It's dirty.
Where does he ride it?
He rides it to school. Now these pictures tell a story. It's called Alex Makes a Mistake. Just look at the pictures first. Okay, Alex and Betty are late for their lesson. They are putting their bags on the wall. Now you tell the story.
The class has finished and Alex took Betty's bag and Betty has Alex's bag and she said it to his teacher and teacher gone to boys' locker room and boys all laughed at Alex because he had a dress.
Okay, thank you. Now let's talk about school. How do you go to school, Evie?
I walk.
And what time do your lessons start?
It starts at 9 o'clock.
Okay. And how many students are there in your class?
There are 21 students.
And what's your favourite subject?
My favorite subject is PE.
And tell me about your classroom.
It's big and there's lots of pictures and there are lots of windows.
Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye.